Alright, so we're here for the last lecture. Not the one by Randy, but the one by Sean. And what we're going to do is make a demo reel based on our assignments. And this isn't a flashy demo reel, something you would show the outside world. It's just something for us to see all of our work in one spot, or for me to see it. So here's all the assignments that we had this semester. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 assignments. And so what you want to do is collect all those assignments, their final movies, into one folder. And for this purpose of doing this video, I've just made stills just so you can see exactly what the assignments are. Okay, so I'm going to take all these stills. You would have an actual movie for each one of those assignments, and I'm just dropping them in After Effects. There we go. And whatever order I click these in, that's the order it's going to come in. Okay, I'm going to drag this down to the new composition button. And when I do this, I want to do a single composition, use dimensions from. Now here's where you'd have to kind of know what the dimensions are for these. So if you don't know, you can always jump out and check them. Now all of these I made at 1280 by 720. You want to find the one that's 960 by 540. So 960 by 540, or if you have your lowest size is 1280 by 720, that works too. All right, so all mine are the same, so I'm going to leave it here. We don't have any stills, but if you did have stills, you could put them in for like 3 seconds each. I'm going to say sequence layers, and then I'm going to say OK. And what this does is it puts them in the order that I chose. So there's sign flipping, blips, all about me, hit the beat, tracking, angry bird bounce, and then kinetic text. Okay, if these were actual movies, it would have automatically sized it and fit it and all that other stuff. And if you see one that's obviously too big, because you know some of these are rendered at a different size, then you can just hit the scale button and scale it so that it fits accordingly. Okay. So now that we have all these movies, then I'm just going to go to File, Export, add this to the render queue, and just do the same stuff that we had before. If you have audio, which you probably do because we had audio in a couple assignments, we would output the audio and set up our settings accordingly. Make sure our format is set to H.264, which it is. Hit OK. Go here for the name, and I'm going to put this in my 2200 folder, and I want you to call it Sarcona, not Sarcona, whatever your last name is, DemoReel underscore F15 for fall 2015, and then render. And then once that's done, you're done. You'll be turning in just that final movie. I don't need all your individual movies because I already have those, or should have those because you already turned them in. Okay, so just make sure that you turn in that video into the DemoReel folder, and that will be your last assignment.